What's going on? This is Will with Priority Exterior Cleaning. We're out here today in Madison, Mississippi, getting this driveway cleaned up for this homeowner. We were here a week or so ago, getting the front of her home cleaned up, getting the columns cleaned and the brick porch, dormers. They wanted us to come back to do this driveway, sidewalks. When doing driveways, we normally apply a solution to the driveway first, give it time to dry. Then we come back with our 8-gallon-a-minute machine and surface cleaners and clean them to remove the dirt, mildew, and algae. This driveway is very slick when it's wet. We got another guy over here doing this part of the driveway. If you're looking to get your driveway pressure washed, house cleaned, roof washed, residential or commercial, we are the go-to exterior cleaning business in the metro area. Our reviews speak for themselves. If you're interested in learning more about us and what we can do for you, please give us a call at 601-966-0731, or you can check us out at www.priorityexteriorcleaning.com. All quotes are free. We specialize in residential and commercial pressure washing services. We are licensed and insured. Don't forget to give us a call, 601-966-0731. Thank you and have a great day.